Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I got a dog. Oh, he came in one. Yeah, I got a new puppy and he's 18 months old. He's so sweet and also extremely clingy right now. But yeah, so he's really cute. And I just took him to the dog park and now, Jessie. And now my pants are like so dirty and I sat in snow. But anyways, I'm gonna go and make some breakfast, but I wanted today's video to be like a DIY staying at home pamper like self-care routine because I think the dog stepped on my jacket. Oh my god. Because I'm just gonna be staying at home, but I want to like do like a pamper self-care thing because I deserve it, and I want to show you guys kind of like what I do to have like a really relaxing and productive day at home. I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. I just slept for most of the day and I was wondering like, why am I so fatigued? And then I realized it's because I don't drink any fucking water. Hello, was that your mom?
Yeah.
That was really cute.
What?
Whatever you were helping her with, that was really cute.
Trying to connect to a speaker.
No, but that was really funny. Like, that was actually really funny to listen to.
I'm good. Thanks, man. I'm alright. I'm not a kid. Oh, fuck.
You're what?
Oh, fuck. Okay, Dave, I gotta close it. I'm about to.
Oh, okay. Bye. Someone asked me the other day if I watch Euphoria, and I told them that I don't watch Euphoria, and when they asked me why, I told them it's because I'm not mentally capable of watching Euphoria and staying stable. Like, if I watch Euphoria, I don't know what I would do. I'm too impulsive as a person. Like, I'm 21, I should be mature and an adult and like able to facilitate my emotions in a way that doesn't, you know, create problems with my day-to-day life. But I'm actually pretty shitty as a person. I feel like I just think I'm very flawed, and I think that like there's a lot that I want to work on myself. Like, I don't feel good about kind of like who I am sometimes, but you know, I just want to be like that girl because I feel like I could be really productive if I actually like tried to be, and I feel like I don't have to keep like saying like, oh yeah, like I don't like this pattern and I don't like this and that, but it's like in the end, like if I actually want to change, then I have to do that myself. Like, I have to actually try to do better day by day. And so, you know, drinking water and like taking care of myself and not sleeping 2 nights in a row and old makeup, like those all fall under my trying to be that girl. Okay, so I'm like doing a little bit of dishes and then like taking care of myself. So let's wash my face because it's dirty. I wash my face with warm water and then I'll put soap on top of that. I'm trying not to wash my face as much as I used to, but I wore makeup, so it's the little things, right? Like, washing my face is just the little things that just makes you feel better, or tries to make you feel better. Step in the right direction. I think that there's a lot of my personal life that I withhold from you guys. Like, I think there's a lot that I don't talk about, and maybe I should start talking about everything that I'm going through more. But it's all just making me want to be that girl Like, I was going through a pretty bad breakup and I was just not taking care of myself, so okay. So I make candles and I made these like little heart candle basically, like for Valentine's Day. And I feel like part of being that girl is putting yourself to sleep with candles. So I made the heart one, but I'm also gonna light this little Buddha one. Like, it's so cute. And then I want to show you guys like that is like, these are like the heart candles that I make, and if you guys want one, then just DM me for one and you guys can buy them. They're really, really cute and like little, and they look like little hearts, and they smell like midnight rose. They're super delicious. And then this guy's just this like Buddha candle that I got, but I love candles, and I make the little cute red heart ones, so DM me if you want one. Good morning, guys. I woke up at 1:53. That's not really like embodying the whole like that girl transformation that I'm trying to do, but I do have therapy right now, and I actually do think that therapy is part of that girl, the whole persona. I think that mental health is part of it, like taking care of your mental health. So I'm waiting for my therapist, and yeah, my therapist's name is Mindy and she's pretty great. Can't wait to talk to her. I haven't seen her in a really long time, so gotta expose myself for half an hour, and then we'll do that girl shit when I like have to get ready, because I literally slept for 14 hours somehow. I went to bed at like 11. It's 2 o'clock. I don't even know what to tell you, but yeah, I just got out of therapy and my therapist was kind of explaining that it's just so unrealistic, and I actually feel like being that girl trend is so toxic, because it's just like, I feel like it's almost like a threshold that we're trying to meet, like being that girl, and I honestly can't meet it. I'm gonna be completely honest with you. Like, I woke up 5 minutes before therapy, and sometimes I don't shower, and sometimes I don't brush my teeth. Like, sometimes I'm disgusting, and sometimes I don't work out, and like I'm kind of just mad like at the whole like being that girl trend, because it's like I'm trying, but I'm not that girl. Like, I'm really not. So it's like, is it really worth stressing yourself and feeling really shitty about yourself over not having infused water and over not going to the gym at 4 a.m? Like, is that really worth feeling shitty about yourself over? No, like, definitely not. I just feel like that whole trend needs to go, because it's just not realistic to everyone's life, and it's just ridiculous. Like, I just want to be myself, and that's what I'm gonna do. For the rest of the video, I'm just gonna be myself, and you guys can take that how you want, but for my own health mentally, I'm just not gonna try to be that girl, because that girl does not exist. So I'm just gonna be me.
Make it about how you can make it yourself. You know, you can still be quote unquote that girl as long as it's you and it's not another person.
Wow, you're actually amazing for saying that. That was really smart.
Like, you can, like, what am I doing right now? I'm like doing homework, like, and I'm trying to get my assignments in on time. To me, that's doing what I need to do. So therefore, I don't know if that makes me that girl.
It does. It does. It does.
To shower today, I don't know.
Ooh, I was just talking about how I never shower. I was literally just talking about how I'm like the dirtiest bitch I've ever been in my life. Like, so dirty. I'm so dirty.
Dude, I got so dirty for a while there, and I was just like,
I'm so dirty. It's okay. It's so bad. It's so bad. It's not good. But I feel you. That's why it got so bad once quarantine ended.
sure.
Yeah, that was not good, which sucks because it's like, was I not good? Like, am I not good enough for that type of relationship, or is it just really just not a good relationship? Like,
I mean, I think that it's that you're not good enough. I think that you are absolutely good enough. I just think that you were asking the wrong person for what you need.
guys, I don't know how the fuck I completely forgot that I have a doctor's appointment literally in 20 minutes. And literally, I totally fucking forgot that I have to go. Like, and I don't even know what I grabbed. Like, I don't even know what I grabbed. I have my phone and my license. And that's it. Like, I don't even have a mask. I just tried to get an IUD placed and it hurt so bad that they couldn't place it. So, I just want men out there to think about that for a second, that I couldn't get birth control because it hurt so bad to try and put it in that they couldn't do it. Like, they couldn't get it to do anything because it hurt so fucking bad to get it placed. Like, never again. I don't want the hormonal, like the pill, I don't want it because it's hormonal, but oh my god, I almost passed out. I almost passed the fuck out and it still hurts right now. Whew, like it. Goddamn, so I think that abstinence should be forever. And I actually love abstinence, but I just thought that like getting an IUD was good. It was smart because that way you have it for 10 years, so that means you don't have to do anything in 10 years when you like do it, blah blah blah. Anyways, it was a good idea, but they couldn't do it because it hurt so bad, so we're gonna try tomorrow once I drug myself. So see you then. You guys, look, I ran over my perfume. It's in the tire tracks. I ran over my perfume. Oh my god, this is my favorite perfume and I ran over it with my car. Oh, no way. How did that not shatter? It's like completely bent at the top, but it didn't shatter. Does it still work? Yes! Oh my god. I'm gonna brush my teeth with this Arm & Hammer toothpaste that I've been really enjoying. Also because my breath in the morning is foul. You guys know that I'm obsessed with Dossier. Dossier reproduces classic high-end luxury scents at a fraction of the price, and they keep the exact same quality, but they cut out all of the expenses and the brand tax. They also have a risk-free system which allows customers to try the perfume before committing to them, and every bottle comes with a sample so that you can try it and wear it before you unseal the 50 milliliter bottle. And if you decide to return the scent, they offer a standard 30-day return period where you can return any unsealed Dossier perfume and get a full refund, no questions asked. Their affordability is really why I wanted to bring this to your attention. I do have a discount code in the description box below. Any scent is $29. I think that today I'm going to use this one because it smells absolutely incredible. Thank you so much, Dossier, for sponsoring this video, and I 10/10 recommend it. All of the information is in the description box below.